we just got scammed for the first time in New York. Another freaking guy with bubbles. It's freaking bad. So everyone, this is Meg.
No, turkey bacon.
Well,
Yeah, I guess
they're
yeah.
all- yeah.
I might just do.
We could always do a number 2 and do the hot dog combo.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do that.
We'll just do the 2 hot dogs.
2 hot dogs?
Yeah, so the number 2.
Yes.
Alright, well, we just got scammed for the first time in New York City. So we saw hot dogs, which we probably already should have known that 2 hot dogs for $10.99 was way too much money and you guys were gonna roast us in this video. But then when they charged us, it was $15 because apparently ketchup and mustard cost $1 each. Ridiculous. You okay?
Let's continue with sir. Can I see you back?
Yeah.
Yes.
Not yours. Yes.
Oh. I'm not
sir?
special.
Are you a sir?
I thought he didn't see mine. I was trying to be special.
You are special.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Umbrellas. All the way inside. Thank you very much for being
Thank
here.
you.
Guys, the door is not open. It's not closed. Let's go.
It's huge. It's huge. You should compare your hand.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's giganto. Not even really the size of that front claw.
Nope.
I love rodents. Oh, look at little half hedgehog. It's freaking bats.
Bats.
So another cool thing about naming conventions and nerdy stuff and anime is that a lot of the Pokemon that are named use like the Latin naming roots and stuff. So like this guy, the Volpebus, sounds similar to Vulpix because he's known as the fox-like ancestor, and words like Vulpix, Vulpine, the Vulp part is all like the fox part of things. So that's why Vulpix look kind of like a fox.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
guys want a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, okay. So everyone, this is Meg from Meg's Mashup. Hello! Yes, and she's amazing, and if you don't follow her, you need to follow her right now because she takes things like butts and peaches and she puts them together. Like that one is the
Flamingo and sheep, also known as the fleep.
The fleep, yes, the fleep, and then I might just have to get this pack of snack rats, because rat in our house is a word that makes my husband laugh all the time. Like anytime anyone ever says rat, and then
He just giggles at it, he just likes the word.
He's
I
just
love
like,
that.
yeah,
that.
like especially on movies when they're like, you're a rat. He's like, I just look at him and he's like, yeah, that's funny. Yeah, so okay, anyway, everyone, this is Meg, and you should follow her because she's awesome and her energy is awesome and everything about her is awesome.
Know you.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly up.
One is cool.
Huh?
That 80s Queens one
yeah.
with strawberry shortcake, and then it's got Gem and She-Ra and Rainbow Bright